Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great amidst this coronavirus pandemic and the lockdown. So I'm back again with another video. I did upload a video approximately 2 weeks back mentioning the reason for my absence on my blog and YouTube. So if you have missed that video, definitely check it out. So today's video is going to be like a chit chat. Get ready with me. I'm going to do a makeup look today, and guess what? I'm going to do a makeup like after 3 months. So in this 3 months, I've really not bothered to apply makeup, whether it's foundation, concealer, and all that jazz. I've just not been bothered because there are so many things there are so many things that is going on in my mind, in the world, about this corona, everything. So I think makeup was the last thing on my mind. So I am among that percentage of people who has not bothered to apply makeup. I know some गर्ल्स यूट्यूबर्स ब्लॉगर्स हैव बीन अप्लाइंग मेकअप एंड शोइंग मेकअप लुक, लेकिन मुझे सही में ज़रा भी मन नहीं कर रहा था मेकअप लगाने. द ओनली थिंग आई वुड से मेकअप वाइज आई हैव अप्लाइड इज लिप बाम. दिस इज द वैसलीन दैट आई हैव अप्लाइड ऑन माय लिप्स राइट नाउ, एंड आई वुड अप्लाई काजल. Even my brows, from 4 months none of the beauty parlors have opened yet, so I have not done my brows, but अभी तक ठीक ठाक लग रहे हैं. So basically I'm going to apply makeup in this video. I'm just going to create a makeup look. I have not decided what to go for. We'll go with the flow, and I've just used products which I already have in my collection. Some are new, some are old. So if you're interested in seeing my makeup look, and I'm going to do a little bit chit chat as well, please stick around and keep watching the video. Start with today's makeup look. I've already prepped my skin using the Dega aloe vera gel. तो ये ऐसा दिखता है, and I've already done a review on my blog, so please check the link in the description box. It's amazing. It has no color or fragrance and it's completely natural. So अगर आप एक एलो वेरा जेल ढूंढ रहे जो completely natural है, then go for this one. I've also prepped my lips with Vaseline, and of course I have sanitized my hand using the Actisol sanitizer. ये बहुत ही अच्छा sanitizer है and बहुत affordable है. Also, if you have observed, I have gone ahead and switched off the light behind. So this video now is going to be a mixture of natural lighting and tube light, and I think I look much better before I started the video. So anywho, let's start with the video right away, and let's go ahead and prep the eyelids. If you know, I always start with eye makeup. So this is the NY Bay concealer stick. I'm just going to lightly apply it on my lids. Let me also tell you, I'm trying to film this look for the second time. Like, it's been such a long time that I have made any makeup videos that I've completely lost the practice and the track of it. So kindly bear with me. Okay, so that's done. So let's apply some eyeshadow. My eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild single eyeshadow, and it is in the variant Nutty. ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत eyeshadow है. अगर आप one color eyelid वाला makeup look करते हैं, तो this is the best thing to go for. So I'm just going to use a brush. This is a flat shader brush which I got from Beauty Center, and let's not even talk about Beauty Center because I really miss it. And I think the last time I went was like last year. अभी इस साल का तो कुछ पता नहीं है, right? So I'm just going to apply it all over my lids. This is like a synthetic brush. I mean, it's okay, I would say. I would rather prefer my finger. That's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm just going to put it into the eyeshadow. It looks like that. It's a beautiful color. It's like a taupey brown, and इसमें थोड़ा dual chrome shift है, मतलब थोड़ा shiny metallic ही लगता है. So I'm just going to repeat that on the other eye. So yesterday finally I got my hands on some nose strips. My nose was scratching really bad. I had like a ton of blackheads on my nose. ये प्रॉब्लम मुझे हमेशा सताती है blackheads की. So I went ahead and used the Hip Hop charcoal strips. That is the men's one, not the women's one, and that's amazing. Like, I used one strip and all my blackheads and whiteheads just disappeared from my nose, and I'm feeling so good today. Because I wanted to do this makeup look yesterday, but once I apply makeup, my pores get clogged and my nose scratches like nobody's business. So I didn't want to, film it yesterday. So anyway, I've applied the eyeshadow all over the lid, and I'm just going to take another brush at this point, and I'm just going to lightly soften the edges. So I do like these kind of eyeshadows जो मतलब थोड़ा pop करते हैं ना, मतलब और थोड़ा शिमरी और मेटालिक हो. Okay, so I'm done with that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this eyeshadow trio from Born Pretty. So ये बहुत ही generic वाला क्या बोलते हैं आई शेडो ट्रियो है. ये मोस्टली चाइनीज वेबसाइट्स पे मिलता था. सो राइट नाउ आई डो नॉट नो द फ्यूचर ऑफ ऑल दीज वेबसाइट, लाइक विल दे शिप टू इंडिया, विल इट बी अलाउड, आई हैव नो idea honestly. So I'm going to take this flat shader brush and I'm going to use this color out here, which is like a coppery color. Tap off the excess and just apply a little bit here in the outer V. I'm just going to look into my mirror for the same. So like I said, I haven't applied makeup in ages, so if my makeup look doesn't turn out well, please forgive me friends. मैं तो कोई makeup artist हूँ नहीं. So I'm going to also use the other color out here and I'm going to apply in the same place just for a little depth. So how is everything at you guys, and like what are you guys up to during this pandemic? How are you coping up? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So if you have been following me, you would know that I work from home and it's been like over 7 years now. So it's nothing new for me, but yes, I miss going outside, I miss enjoying normal life, I miss eating outside food. Like अभी तो सब कुछ घर में ही बनाना पड़ता है, इसके लिए स्ट्रेस भी बहुत बढ़ गया है, I would say. Now I would just go ahead and retouch this eyeshadow again because I feel it has kind of faded out. Okay, so that's my makeup look, and I'm just going to go ahead and use my compact powder and highlight my brow bone. So I'm using the L'Oreal Matte Magique. I've already hit pan on this product. It's very nice. एक अच्छा powder है, and I'm just lightly going to blend everything. Okay, so my eye makeup is done, so let's move on to the next. And I'm using the Gala of London Kajal. As you can see, so I'm going to do that on the other eye as well. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to smudge this kajal on my upper lash line. For that, I'm going to use this brush from Savvy Natural. So this is only available on Nykaa. मैंने इसका review मेरे blog पे already किया हुआ है. So I'm just going to smudge that kajal which I have applied on my upper lash line. I think it looks much better now. Now ever since I have reviewed this product, I have always seen this product is out of stock because it's like a Chinese company and it was like imported and marketed by some Indian company here in Bombay. So I hope it comes in stock because it's a really nice brush. Like look at that, it's really tiny. आप इससे अपना lower lash line भी smudge कर सकते हैं. Now for a change, I'm going to do something different on my lower lash line. I'm going to use the NYB Long Island Deep Intense Kohl Eye Pencil. ऐसा दिखता है. मैंने इसका रिव्यू ऑलरेडी मेरे चैनल पे किया हुआ है, बट आई हैड नॉट मेंशन अबाउट दिस कलर. दिस इज लाइक अ डीप ब्लू कलर. So I'm going to use this on my lower lash line. Of course, I'm going to warm it on the back of my hand. Can you see that color? It's like a royal blue color. Okay, so now that I'm done with applying that kajal, I've just coated my brush with that same kajal and I'm just lightly going to smudge it. I think it looks really pretty, isn't it? Okay, so moving on, we are going to curl our lashes. For me, curling the eyelashes is very, very important because नहीं तो मेरे eyelashes exist ही नहीं करता, ऐसा ही समझ लीजिए आप. Mascara, I'm using the one No Compromise mascara. This is from Oriflame. Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in dark brown. I'm just going to lightly fill in the gaps. So what I usually do is I warm the product on the back of my hand. I use a brush and then I just go ahead and fill my brows. Back and I'm back and my brows are done. So let's sing. Back and the brows are done. Back and the brows are done. Okay, that's way too much, right? That's what Manny MUA does. So he's a YouTuber. For those of you who don't know, he always does it. He goes off camera, he applies his, he does his eyebrows and then he says back and the brows are done. Okay, so the brows are officially done and I'm quite pleased with the eye makeup look. It's better than what I was attempting before. So I'm going to move on to the face makeup. I'm going to use a foundation today, surprise, but yes, we need to use our products, right? So I'm going to use this foundation from Streetwear. I've already reviewed this on my YouTube channel. I have done like a complete in-depth review. I've done like, I've checked in throughout the day in terms of its longevity and how long it lasts on the face. So I just put it on the back of my hand. So this is the shade and it's light to medium. It's really runny for some reason. मतलब इतना महीना हो गया मैंने कुछ यूज़ नहीं किया है तो probably maybe that's why. So I'm just going to use it on my brush and I'm going to apply it all over my face. And it feels so weird applying foundation because I don't even remember the last time I applied it. So if you know me, you would also know this, that I very rarely apply foundation because I sweat a lot and Bombay में बहुत गर्मी पड़ती है. So yeah, I think I'm going to use another pump because that's just not enough. अभी देखो जाना तो कहीं है नहीं, but makeup look करेंगे तो सही से करेंगे, right? So yeah, I've taken another pump and it's just going everywhere. So let me just dab it first. Okay friends, so moving on, I'm going to lightly apply concealer, which I've already done like under my eyes, around my mouth. I'm using the same NYB concealer and I'm just going to use the same brush and I'm just going to blend it. Now keep in mind, this is just a makeup look to wear at home. I'm not going anywhere out, as you know the current situation. So obviously मैं कहीं बाहर तो नहीं जा सकती, but definitely makeup तो लगा ही सकती, right? You guys can also try this look, or if you have any suggestions like मैं कौन सा makeup look करूँ next, definitely let me know. So yeah, this is what my face looks like. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my face with the same L'Oreal Matte Magic powder. This is how it looks like. I'm going to swirl my brush and I'm going to lightly apply it on my face. So I've been receiving a lot of comments on one of my videos, which is the 100 rupees eyeshadow makeup look and that palette which I mentioned. Like, let me tell you that palette is not available anywhere. So when I went to beauty center Crawford Market में जो है, जब मैं वहाँ गई थी तब मुझे वो पैलेट रैंडमली मिल गया था. ये कहीं पे भी नहीं मिल रहा है, तो आप कौन सा भी ब्रांड यूज़ कर सकते हो. फ्लिपकार्ट, कफ्स एंड लैशेस, ये सब वेबसाइट्स पे आपको आसानी से अफोर्डेबल पैलेट्स मिल जाएंगे. So guys, please, that palette is not available. I wish it was, because 100 rupees में इतने सारे कलर्स कहाँ मिलते हैं, right? So lucky I found that palette. I don't know when I'm going to go next, so I'm really depressed about that because I really wanted to go in December and January with my sister-in-law and with my mom and everyone. We had decided, but she fell sick, so we couldn't go. I was like, ठीक है भाई, बाद में चले जाएंगे. और बाद में करते करते लॉकडाउन आ गया, तो everything just went haywire. So I'm lightly going to bronze my face, and I'm just using a powder bronzer. And oh my god, yeah, that. So I'm using a bronzer which is a mineral based bronzer. Now this was sent to me by a brand called IQ Natural, and it's been ages. Now I'm not even sure if this product has expired or what. I'll just show you guys in a minute. Show you the bronzer. So the bronzer is IQ Natural Sweet Cheeks. तो ये ऐसा दिखता है. ये एक मिनरल ब्रॉन्जर है. इट इज़ अ US based company and they had sent me a couple of products and it was like ages ago, and I also really apologize for the lighting. It's become really dark outside and it's been raining like heavily. So I did apply this bronzer on the outside, on the outer perimeters of my cheeks, and now I'm going to apply this ADS blush. It's really bright looking. It's a really bright looking pink color. So this is what came on the brush, and I think I got this for like 60 rupees. So I can't wait to get my hands on some affordable products, and I don't know when that's going to happen. Here there has been a lockdown, and it's been now till the 18th. So we actually do not come in a proper Bombay area. We come in the Thane district. So here we have different rules for lockdown. So we first had a lockdown from the first till the 10th or 11th. I don't remember. And now we have it till the 18th, and hopefully it won't be in the future, because most of them have been protesting against it, because it's totally understandable, because from 3 months salons, shops, they have not opened, right? I was mentioning that the shops and salons, everything is closed, and people have been protesting here that if there is a lockdown after the 18th, we are not going to listen to anyone. So I'm just praying that the lockdown is just lifted and we can go and buy stuff. Like I really want to buy lingerie and stuff, like silly things that you need, because it's been like 4 months, and I need to pick up few things from the shop as well. So we are praying hard that the lockdown is lifted. Okay, coming back to the look, this is what I've achieved so far. The only thing remaining is the lips part. It's the lip liner from me now. It's in the variant 068. So I'm really feeling like coughing while making this video, and I just hate that. Like coughing and my nose scratching are the two things which always happen in my videos. Okay, so lastly, I'm going to use this lipstick from the brand of Sunny Leone, which is Starstruck by Sunny Leone, and the variant is 02, and it's called Sugar Plum. So it's like this beautiful dusty rose kind of color. Can you see that? So it looks darker on camera right now because of the lighting, but it goes very light on the lips, and I do have pigmented lips, but it is a stunning color. That I've achieved finally. Okay guys, so that's a wrap for today. So this was a makeup look that I've achieved, and oh my god, I look so different. Oh my god, and it feels so different that I've applied makeup today. So I really like the makeup look. Like, yeah, I kind of know how to do makeup, I guess, although my dark circles are still peeping through. But like I said, I'm at home. मतलब घर पे आप कितना makeup लगाओगे, right? So also my hair have turned really grey. I need to color my hair, so please excuse me for the grey hair. But yeah, I mean घर पे रह के अभी थोड़ा आलसपना तो आ ही गया है. Makeup नहीं लगाना है, hair color नहीं करना है. But yeah, I need to color my hair, I guess, at this point. Never mind, this video is not about my hair color, but it is about this makeup looks. I really enjoyed filming this video. It's been such a long time that I had filmed this makeup. I had filmed like a chit chat, get ready with me makeup look. So as I mentioned in the video, there is a lockdown out here at the place where I'm living. So I hope you all are doing safe. Aapki family sab safe hai and everything is going well for you guys. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This video obviously has been very long. So if you have reached till the end, type red in the comment section. And yeah, that's it for today. This was a makeup look, and nothing much to say. I will see you all soon in my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, so that whenever YouTube uploads a video, you will be notified. Also, do not forget to like this video and share it on your social media. I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.